Now, a Target 12 consumer investigation taken for a ride. New tonight, options to a controversial loan that uses your car as collateral. As we revealed earlier tonight, some families with low income or bad credit may think these risky loans are their last resort.
And now, new at 11, we're laying out some other less risky options for those who are looking for a loan. Target 12 consumer investigator Susan Hogan is here now with what she's learned.
If you have low income, you don't own a home, and you've got bad credit, you may think your only option for a loan is one of those high-interest payday or auto loans. But there are other options for you out there that won't take you for a ride.
Hitting rock bottom, your car is repossessed.
I'm sleeping. My son wakes me up. Mom, they're towing your car.
A family emergency meant this West Warwick mom needed cash fast. Like millions of people, she tried going to a bank but was denied. Then she heard of car title loans. Thinking this was her only option, she applied and tells us she was approved instantly. But this quick cash came with a huge price.
I don't want to be in a situation where I'm going to lose everything.
Her $2,400 loan came with a 219% interest rate, meaning she owed more than $7,000 in the end. And the payments were so high, she couldn't make them. Her car was repossessed within a day after missing her first payment.
One of our goals is to put predatory lenders out of business.
Andy Posner is the founder of the Capital Good Fund, a nonprofit organization that offers financial services to low-income families.
Our loans are not for buying a house. They're for things like catching up on rent or utilities, small vehicle repairs. It might be funeral expenses, the kind of things that for people who make $1,000 a month become real stumbling blocks.
And unlike title loans, which often charge interest rates over 200%, the Capital Good Fund charges 30%. We contacted the Federal Trade Commission. They encourage people to seek alternatives to car title loans and say other options like credit unions or credit counseling services are far better for building up your credit history. Some other tips from the FTC: shop around for the best loan offer. Compare the annual percentage rate and finance charge of a loan. And don't make quick decisions. That could put you into a cycle of debt you can't get out of.
You either don't take care of the utility bill and you lose your power, or you go to the payday lender, which seems like a solution, but then you get caught in this vicious cycle of debt.
For the past few years, there's been legislation introduced in Rhode Island to try to put a cap onto those payday loans, but every year that bill gets shot down. As a result of our Target 12 investigation, there is legislation being drafted right now to try to put a cap on title loans. We'll keep you posted. With the Target 12 investigators, I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.
And there is much more vital information for you on our website. We've added this story to our interactive consumer guide.
That's where you can find details on everything from buying a car to dealing with debt. It's a lasting resource for you on WPRI.com.